This is Eric here, your host. We're back with another episode of the Widow's Son Tattoo Reviews, and today we're doing some unboxing. Our friends over here at Inkin have sent us the Kraken for us to release it. We have some of their Inkin cartridges. They sent us a good 5 or 6 boxes of them bad boys. These Inkin cartridges come in a box just like this with the blue logo. All right. And this is what they look like in the inside. So, made out of plastic. They have no silicone cover. But right off the bat, what I love about them is that they have a huge mouth right there. All right. I've already ran several of these and I like them. We'll get some footage to show you. And we're going to go ahead and thank them for sending out these boxes to us. But what we're here for today is this bad boy that comes in the suitcase, as if it's one of them machine gun suitcases. It's big. So what can be in here, we will find out. This right here is their Soultats machine kit. It comes in at about $175. I think it's like $169 plus the taxes. And I don't even remember if that includes shipping or not, but I think it does. You could get it on Amazon. And right off the bat, we see that it comes in a real big briefcase style box, carrying box. All right, with a nice handle and golden zippers. Let's open it up and see what we have in here. So as soon as we open, let's look at the top. Starting at the top, we have the user guide for the Soultats machine. Remember to read your warranty card and your instruction manual, okay? I can't stress that enough, because you'll go ahead and plug in your machine to an extra powerful charger and then wonder why your machine isn't working. So if you read this and its maintenance, you'll avoid those problems. All right. Right on the top, it also comes with 1, 2, and some bibs. So it brings you some black bibs for setting up, regular quality dental bibs, a pack of their stickers. We have 2 fake skins. All right, these are not the best quality fake skins. These are the very thin ones, but I don't mind them for your apprentice, because this will really test his skills with the blowouts. You know, he's going too deep on these. He's definitely going too deep to be tattooing. All right. Comes with some Revo cartridges. We have some mags and a tight 5-round liner, a 5-pack of each. Some of these not recycled, but they're made of recycled material, which is great for the environment. Ink caps. Some disposable nitrile gloves. We got 2 grip tapes of the 1-inchers, a bottle of Inkin black lining ink, your machine's USB-C charging cable, the machine. So immediately inside the carrying case, the Inkin carrying case, we have the Soultats machine. All right, with its extra battery. You could charge them from the top, up and down, and power on the side. But immediately, what I love about this design is it looks classy. Like, it already looks like a machine and feels, from the way I'm adjusting this grip, it already feels like a more expensive than $200 just in the machine. You know, let's see how she performs, but everything I've tried from Inkin so far has been good. You know, I haven't had something that I was like, whoa, that, you know, be cautious, this sucks. Automatically, when I turn on the screen, it has a very beautiful display in blue. You could see the power of the battery on the top, the voltage display, the hertz display. It comes with a couple different settings, the strong start and the timer. But what I find interesting about this is that the display isn't flat. It's kind of, it has this magnifying effect to it, and it's almost awesome, in which when I slightly turn it, it's almost as if you're seeing the screen do this. So it's easy to see from the side, you know, which is wild to me. I've never seen a machine that does that. When I do this, it's almost like mesmerizing. It has the nice engraving right here that says Soultats. These beautiful triangles that add texture to it all over the place. Okay, and right off the bat, which is one of the most interesting things that I've seen in this tattoo machine, is that it goes from 2.5 all the way up to 4.8. So you almost have a 5-stroke tattoo machine right here. And that's interesting to me, because even in 7-stroke adjustable machines, I've seen them go way too low. But I haven't seen one go from higher than 4.2. The highest that I've seen one go is 4.5. Okay, but this one goes from 2.5, 2.9, 3.3, 3.8, 4.3, and 4.8. So just on strokes covered, there's nothing really that this machine should not be able to do. Okay, so that's the machine. Let's go ahead and put it on the tat rack display here. And last but not least, this big old printer that came in here. Let's go ahead and give it a crack open. Okay, it has the QR code on the side, and the QR code, it'll give you the application on your phone that controls this printer. Inside the box, we have the instructions for the printer. Make sure you read that. It's only going to take 2 seconds of your life. We have a 10-pack of their inked-in thermal fax paper and the printer itself inside this white box, this white bag. And right off the bat, we see the printer. On the bottom, it tells you the guide on how to load up the paper. Button on the side to open up the unit and feed the paper. Then on the side, the power button. So stay tuned, my people. We're going to be running this Soultats machine through its paces and letting you know how it went. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. All right, that'll go ahead and let you know when the new videos are coming out. It'll also go ahead and get you caught up on everything else that we review. All right, so the next one.